Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today, before starting my vlog, I would like to remind you all is that don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. So today I will be talking about stage fear, which is very common in every individual. Maybe he or she is a very good speaker, but still this stage fear to speak in front of the audience gives a real nightmare. So I have come up with some of the ways through which you can overcome this stage fear. So here it is, check that out. So knowing about your topic. So whatever topic you are going to present in front of the audience, that's very important, and you should know your contents very well. If you know your contents well, that means there is nothing to be nervous about it. Okay. Next point is practice. The more you practice, the more confident you become. I know you know your contents well, your topic is very much clear to you, but still the practice is very much needed. Okay. The third point is be positive. So if you keep on thinking like, what if I do very bad in front of the audience, what if I do that, what if I do this. So if you keep on thinking in a negative way, then you will come up with nothing. Okay, so be positive and think like that whatever I will present in front of the audience, that will create a magic. Okay. Next one is, it's not all about you. So whoever the audience is sitting in front of you, they have not come here to judge you or criticize you. They have come here to listen to you. So just think in this way, the audience are there to listen to your speech and not to see or criticize you about you anything. Okay. Next one is, don't rush. So if you start rushing while presenting something, just don't do it. Slow and allow yourself to calm down. Okay, and get into a comfortable pace. Okay. Next one is, don't apologize for being nervous. You are nervous, you know it, but why should you let the audience know about it? If you are nervous and worried, then the audience will also become nervous and worried that what that guy or girl will present in front of us. So don't apologize for it. Next one is, never share your mistake. Suddenly you go to the stage, and on the stage while presenting something, you forget one of the very important points to mention. But why should you tell the audience? You only know that you have missed it. So never share your mistakes with the audience. Okay. Next one is arriving early. So arriving early to the stage and on the day of presentation is very important. You can come and check the entire environment and get adapt to it. You can go to the stage, you can check the podium, you can go, you can check on the mic, and that's the thing. You will get adapt to the entire environment. So arriving early is very necessary. Next one is stretch and breathe. So before the presentation, like 10 to 15 minutes before the presentation, do some stretches, body stretches, and take slow and deep breath, so that what will happen, it will relax your mind and it will help you to present your topic in a very good way. Okay. Next one is double check everything. So before going to the stage, what you have to make sure is that if you are carrying a laptop, if you have diary, if you have any notes or pen, whatever you have, just double check everything, that everything is in a right condition. Okay. So these are some of the tips which I have followed. So if you have anything with you all that you want to share with me, then you can comment below. Also don't, also if you want to see my other videos, you can find that in the description box, that I will give you the links. And if you want me to come up with other topics, you can also share that in the comment section. Thank you so very much, and also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications. Thank you.